What is inheritance law? Have you ever wondered what happens to someone's belongings after they pass away? Inheritance law is the area of law that deals with this very question. It governs how a deceased person's property is transferred to their heirs or beneficiaries. This includes everything from real estate and money to personal belongings. When a person dies, their estate needs to be distributed. This process can vary depending on whether there is a valid will. If there is a will, the distribution follows the wishes outlined in that document. If there is no will, the situation is referred to as dying intestate. In such cases, state laws come into play to determine how the estate is divided. Inheritance law focuses on two main concepts: descent and distribution. Descent refers to the passing of property to heirs according to specific rules when there is no will. Distribution involves how property is transferred through wills or trusts. Typically, when someone dies without a will, the surviving spouse and children are prioritized in the distribution of the estate. If there are no immediate family members, the estate may go to more distant relatives or, in some cases, to the state. The probate process is also a key aspect of inheritance law. This is the court-supervised procedure that validates a will, settles debts, and distributes remaining assets. Probate courts follow state laws to ensure that the correct heirs receive their shares. In law school, inheritance law is studied under the specialization of trusts and estates law. This area covers not only inheritance but also the creation and management of wills and trusts. Students learn about intestate succession rules, the rights of spouses and children, and the role of fiduciaries like executors and trustees. Understanding inheritance law involves familiarizing oneself with some key terms. A decedent is the person who has passed away. An heir is someone entitled to inherit under intestate laws, while a beneficiary is designated to receive property under a will or trust. Dying intestate means passing away without a valid will, and probate is the legal process for managing a deceased person's estate. In practical terms, inheritance law education includes drafting wills and trusts, advising clients on estate planning, and resolving disputes among heirs. Law students specializing in trusts and estates develop skills in interpreting laws and counseling clients on structuring their affairs to ensure their property is distributed according to their wishes. Inheritance law is essential for defining how property is transferred after death. It balances the rules for intestate succession with the freedom to create wills and trusts. This area combines statutory interpretation, procedural law, and client counseling to manage family wealth across generations.